The received equipment is shown in the figure. Ultrasonic lacing machine with pneumatic double motor features rotating upper and lower molds. Prepare the operating tools, power cords, and air pumps. The air pressure gauge should be set to 0.4 MPa, which can be viewed and adjusted on the control panel. Connect the junction box by inserting the high-frequency plug and control cable connectors into their respective positions. The control line has a corresponding alignment point. Align it before inserting. Tighten the screw while shaking until it stabilizes. Place two foot pedals. One controls the machine's operation. The other controls the cylinder's vertical movement. Connect the power cord to the 220 volts power source. Connect to the trachea. Turn on the red power switch on the computer case. The indicator light turns on and off, indicating the device is functioning normally. Test sound wave, press the red button. An audio signal will play. Pressing one foot pedal controls the mold's vertical movement. Upon receipt of the goods, the mold was raised in its factory-provided protective position. Loosen the upper screw, press the pedal, and lower the mold to the desired position. The screws on the upper handle can be used to adjust and fix the height of the mold. Another pedal controls the machine's operation. The first knob of the control box controls the speed of the small mold above it. The middle knob controls the speed of the large mold below. Now, let's demonstrate how to replace the mold. Press the pedal switch to raise the mold. Turn the knob to secure the mold. Take out the hex key from the tool. Remove the screws from the side plates and take out the mold. There are two screws on the mold. Loosen them to remove the bushing from the old mold. Then fit the new mold exactly as is and install the fixing ring and guide wheel. Install the screws on both sides of the mold and secure it. The produced products are shown in the figure. Let's introduce common embossing defects and corresponding mold adjustment methods. 1. No clear embossed patterns. Lower the mold slightly to increase pressing pressure. 2. Patterns are embossed successfully, but the cutting edge on the side of the mold fails to cut the fabric cleanly, and the fabric cannot be torn apart. Need to adjust the eccentric components. When adjusting the eccentric part, loosen the one screw on the right first. Then use A spanner to shift the inner knower to screw, left and right for calibration. Tighten all screws once adjustment is finished. If you are using the machine for the first time, test it several times to find the optimal working angle. 3. The fabric cannot feed out smoothly after processing. Need to adjust the auxiliary wheel controlled by the red handle. The above is the tutorial for operation. The single-motor ultrasonic lacing machine. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions during operation.